yourself and live tonight.
Please don't call my phone, I need some time. Woo! What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the vlog. I hope I don't get copyrighted for this music, that's why I'm trying to talk louder than the music. But, welcome back to the vlog. I'm about to make some breakfast right now. I gotta turn the music off, hold up. Alright guys, I'm just gonna throw it out there that Russ is lit. I love Russ, he's like my favorite singer right now. I wanna go watch him in concert, hopefully soon. But right now, I'm making breakfast. My brother is here, he's in the shower right now. I might be pranking my brother, so, oh gosh, something's burning. I might be pranking my brother in this video. You guys are gonna know by the title. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do in this video, but smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the intro because it's just a good way to start the video lit. I gotta take a shower still. I'm gonna eat breakfast, take a shower, and then get the video started. So, say hi. Say good morning, vlog. Good morning. All right, say bye. We'll see you guys in a sec. Say bye. All right, Lucero Legends, me and my brother just ate a bomb breakfast. You know, shout out to me because I made a good breakfast. No, I'm just kidding. It was all right breakfast, but now I'm gonna go show you guys my brother's motorcycle. I showed you guys yesterday, but hold on, I gotta get that lighting right. I think I might be getting a motorcycle, so like, you guys will see. I don't know yet. I might like do a challenge with you guys, but we got, dude, this thing's pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. So comment below if you think I should get a motorcycle with him or not. I might be getting one for our other channel. We'll see though.
And I got all the drugs in the world that you need. We get high to pass time, but bitch, I ain't no fiend. I got money on my mind, I be stacking my green. Shawty sexy like my style, I be dripping with ease. Please don't send me naked pictures, I don't like the BT. Say she got that super soaker.
Alright guys, I forgot if I said this yesterday or not. But, oh yeah, I did say it yesterday. I'm gonna be trying to daily vlog every single day, no matter what it is. So, today my brother has the day off. He has every Tuesday and Sunday off. So that's gonna be whenever I record with him. So for you guys, it'd be Wednesday and Monday. I'm about to sneeze. When's that? Hey! Oh, that hurt really bad. So yeah, I gotta keep you guys entertained. We gotta stay entertaining because I've watched YouTube videos before and I get really distracted really easy. So like, I gotta stay entertaining like this. Look at the snow. It's snowing and it's March. All right, my brother's gonna take this for a ride. Let's see, let's get some clips of him. Oh yeah. Like the shoes? Peep the shoes. Damn, I see you, bro. Alright guys, I'm seriously considering about getting a motorcycle like with my brother. Just let me know, like, should I or should I not? I know I'm not gonna get a crotch rocket because my dad would kill me. So I might get a motorcycle. I really don't know and I keep talking about it, but maybe, we'll see, I don't know. Lucero Legends, what should I do? So when my brother gets back from this motorcycle ride, there he is right there. Well, we're gonna go to Target. I'm gonna get some shirts because we started a new gym page. It's called Luck Bros because luck, like Lucero's kind of hard, so we have Luck Bros. It's kind of catchy. I'm gonna put that in the link below, so check that out. We're gonna be making videos 4 times a week of us working out, and I don't want to talk that much today, so we're gonna go to Target right now. I might make a cinematic on the road. I love making cinematics. Let me know how you like my cinematics because I really enjoy making them, and I don't know how you guys like them. So let me know, and we'll see you guys on the road, I think.
Please don't call my phone, I need some time just to sit and think about my life. It's been every day, non-stop, every night. I just need some time. Please don't call my phone, I need some time just to sit and think about my life.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little cinematic because I put some work in and just tried making it look as sick as I could. That cop at the end, you know, gotta end it kind of cool. Here's the cool little Dodge Challenger. But now, we're at Target. I hope I don't get pulled over. I hope I don't get caught or they don't make me stop recording, but I think I'll be fine. So, I'm gonna put my camera away. Strike a pose. Another one. Damn, bro, this boy ripped. Strike a pose. Alright, 100 likes and I'll buy this hat. Struck a pose. What do you got to say about that target, bro?
A lot of red.
A lot of red. That's what I would have to say too. The thing is, I went to target to hit a goal and I missed. All I tried to do was hit that target. What about you?
I was right on the circle.
Yeah, he hit it right on the... My finger hit it. But alright guys, I'm sorry it's windy right now and I'm sorry that you can't really hear me and I'm sorry that... Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. We just went to Target. I just bought some shirts because I'm trying to get ripped. You already know, so... And we're gonna go home and meal prep. It's really windy outside, so I'll see you guys inside because it's too windy to record. Alright guys, so we're back at the house. I just edited this whole entire new video. I'm gonna be linking it in this, I'm gonna be linking it in this video below. So me and my brother started a whole entire new channel called Luck Bros. It's our workout transformation page, kinda, I guess, and we do different programs and you guys will see what more we're about. We recorded a whole entire video for that today, so if you want to watch that, I'll leave the link below and you guys could see our gains and what we do to make gains and just everything we do. So yeah, right now we're gonna head to the pool in the hot tub to end this vlog off. Oh my gosh guys, my hair's crazy. To end this video off, we'll figure something out to do fun because this video's been pretty fun. It's not been, we haven't done much yet, but we'll do like some tricks in the pool or something. And yeah, stay tuned. That was a close one. Alright guys, we're headed out to the pool right now. That last clip was kind of sketch. I had something on my lens. I like backflipped and I landed really close to the couch. You're gonna see it like when I'm actually like uploading the video. Now we're headed to the pool. It's like 30 degrees. I thought it was a lot warmer, but we're like
Hot tub.
yeah, I'm gonna be in the hot tub. There's no way. Bro, I should have brought my GoPro.
Should have. You could.
Alright, I could go get my GoPro, but I'm probably not gonna do it. I'll just record on this thing in the hot tub and try to not get wet. We're gonna go have a serious talk in the hot tub and talk about life. Dude, I was gonna say that. Manifest. Just kidding. So, yeah. Alright guys, we got a small problem right now. So there's people in the hot tub and I probably won't record because it's gonna be really awkward. I might record, but I just think it would be awkward and I'm nervous.
No, you shouldn't.
So we'll see. He doesn't think I should record, so.
No, I think you should record.
Should I record? I'll record you, watch. What is going on guys and welcome to my new YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be filling this bathtub up with Coke and oh shit, I'm not famous yet. Bro, don't get it wet. Alright guys, we're chilling here at the hot tub. So my camera just died at the pool. I don't know if that last clip you guys saw, but I was at the hot tub. I don't know if the clip saved, but right now I'm gonna put my GoPro head mount on and I'm gonna run back to the hot tub. So let's get it. Alright guys, let's get it. Let's get it. Got the headband on. I look like crazy. Sorry man, I'm a vlogger. Alright, we're going in. Oh god, I'm getting stopped. You're good, you're good. Oh, he's gone. Alright, we're going back in. Got no shoes on. Everybody, we just hit some traffic, but we're good now. Got the phone, GoPro. People are looking at me, but you know what? I don't care. We're going in. Alright, we're gonna take a little shortcut. Let's go through here. Alright, I hope my hair's not in the way. Oh god, oh god. We're in the snow. Oh god, snow. We're going in. We're running, we're sprinting. Trying to get this clip going fast as I can. Don't know where my brother is, but I'm going. I'm going. My brother died. My brother died right there. He's dead. Look. Let's see how he's trying to prank me. Look. Oh god, dude. Help me get out. All right, let's go. I got him, guys. I pranked him. The video's clickbaited. All right, guys. We're hopping in the pool.
Are you serious?
So it's really cold right now.
Colorado. Look, show the snow on the roofs.
There's snow. Alright guys, so the challenge is we're gonna jump from that side and swim to this side and then so you guys see this, it's on my phone right now. You guys are gonna see my GoPro. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. Alright. I don't know. All right, ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh, bro, dude, I did a gainer. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. No, I can kill him. I look crazy right now, so I'm gonna end it on my phone. All right, guys, we're on the GoPro. Oh, this is like cold. All right, we're on the GoPro right now. It is really cold. And here, bro, catch the GoPro and I'm a gainer. Ready? Belly flopped. Really? Alright guys, it is literally like, it's way colder outside right now. It's not even that bad in here. So we're gonna get some GoPro clips and let's go. Ready? So my brother said he recently just got a 6-pack in the last few weeks, so let's check it out. Ha, got it. Alright, ready? Alright, we're gonna swim. Let's go. Ready? Right, selfie. Hey, Sal! Oh, dude. Ready to go to the hot tub? Hot tub time. Oh, bro. Oh my, I just want to see your first thoughts. This is like the best way to end the vlog. Pass out. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's been a pretty dope vlog today. We just kind of chilled around the house in the hot tub. And I'm gonna try, like I said, I'm gonna be recording every single day and just try keeping it entertaining for you guys. I think the GoPro is really zoomed in, but it's all good. So, I hope I don't get copyrighted for this music, but we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog since it's every single day.